So in this Crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Cardano here on at Crypto.com. So once Crypto.com's opened up, I want you to go to the home page here, then go to the top left and press on buy. Then once you're here, just go to the top search bar and type in Cardano. Once Cardano is selected, ticker symbol ADA, go ahead and press on that. Once you're on the buy Cardano screen, you can select the amount that you're looking to buy. So for instance, if you wanted to do $50, it'll show you how much Cardano that would equate to. So in this case, 44.88 Cardano is about $50 Canadian. You can also select a cash transaction or a crypto transaction. So if you wanted to use a credit, debit, or Apple Pay, you can go ahead and do this. If you wanted to use crypto, press on crypto, select what. So for example, if you wanted to use Ethereum to buy this, you can do that. And if all looks good, you can go to the bottom, press on buy, and proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Cardano on at Crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.